Welcome back to another video for HarborFinancialOnline.com. Today I'm going to be talking about the small business tax credits. And I'm going to show you how to qualify for these credits and all the credits that are out there right now. So let me get the video going here. So again, there's lots of credits right now that small businesses can qualify for that just most people don't know about. So I'm going to go through this list of credits with you guys to make you aware of them, so you may want to jot down some of these. So credits include the general business credit, the investment credit, the work opportunity credit, the alcohol for fuel credit, the credit for increasing research activities, the qualified electric vehicle credit, the empowerment zone employment credit, the new markets credit, credit for small employer, and the credit for small employer pension startup cost. Those are some of the less known ones that end up being a big difference on your taxes every year that I want you guys to remember. Jot these down, and I'm going to go through them more, but those are pretty good credits. Now, each credit has their own form that they have to be reported on. Now you have the general business credit, which is going to be reported on Form 3800. And before I go through all these, I just want to let you know, if you do your taxes online, it's going to bring in all these forms for these credits. So it's not like you have to go to the IRS website and find each one of these forms. It's going to ask you certain things to see if you qualify for these credits. It's going to have all the credits on there. See if you qualify for them. It makes it much easier so you're not having to research these. But I just want to make you guys aware of all these credits that are out there. So the alternative motor vehicle credit, Form 8910. The investment credit, this is all for small businesses, Form 3468. The increasing research activities credit, Form 6765. The new markets credit, Form 8874. In the empowerment zone, Form 8844. Now how this works is your small business usually is going to be a Schedule C, and that gets attached to your regular 1040. Well, these credits, these forms, will also get attached to your 1040, so it's part of the whole tax return with your Schedule C. Some of the ones that I like to promote to people is the alternative motor vehicle credit. You can get a really big credit there because that's, you know, purchasing a vehicle. So if it qualifies it for the alternative motor vehicle, that's going to be a decent sized credit. The empowerment zone is a really good credit as well. They're all good ones, but some are obviously going to be better than others. Now, if you file the Schedule C, you may also qualify for the earned income credit. So I recommend looking at that credit, the earned income credit. This typically is going to apply to lower income earners. So say if that you don't have a regular job, you just have a small business that you operate, but your income is fairly low, you may qualify for this earned income credit, and it's a really good credit. It's going to have a big impact on your refund. Even if you didn't pay tax during the year, you may be able to qualify for some money. One thing I want to make aware is that you can carry back credits to prior years and get a refund. So what this means is, say that you had a credit this year, you weren't able to use it this year. What you can do is go back to older tax returns and apply it to that and get an increased refund. Say you didn't have a refund in that year, you can take the credit from this year, carry it back to the other years and get a refund. Or you can take the credit this year and carry it forward. So that's a good thing. You can always amend old tax returns. So what this means is, say a return from 2 years ago, you can go back and refile that return. That's called amending it. And say you didn't know anything about some of these small business credits, you can go back, amend that return, apply some of the credits that you know about now, and change your taxes and maybe get a refund or pay less tax. Because if you paid in, say you paid in $5,000 in taxes and now you're aware that you qualified for $5,000 in credits, you can get that $5,000 back. They'll just send you a refund check for that $5,000. You have up to 3 years to do that. There's nothing wrong with amending an old tax return, because basically what it comes down to is you made an error and you weren't aware of it. And it's not like, you know, the IRS is gonna go find the credits for you and put it in there and send you a check. You're responsible to find the credits. So that's how that works. Let's go to our site real quick. This is harborfinancialonline.com. On our site here, we offer all kinds of information on credits, small business information, deductions, everything you need to know to increase your refund and pay less tax. Here we have a page devoted tax help for the self-employed. Click on any of these, it's going to be a page devoted just to that topic. And you can do a quick online estimate of your taxes, prepare the return online. It's a great site to use, and I highly recommend it. I appreciate you watching the video. I hope you check out some of my other videos, and just go to YouTube. We have plenty of them out there. Just about every topic of tax has been covered, and I hope you check out some of those. Thank you.